Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to build a golf mat platform. Start by measuring your available space and the mat dimensions, then sketch a simple plan. Gather plywood, foam underlay, treated lumber for the frame, screws, and artificial turf. Decide whether you need a raised edge or drainage holes. Keep tools like a circular saw, drill, and stapler nearby. Work safely and test stability before practice. Measure twice and cut once to keep everything square and stable. Mark your plywood and lumber clearly, then cut the frame pieces and platform top to size. Use 3/4 plywood for strength and a foam layer for impact protection under the turf. Sand edges to prevent splinters and pre-drill screw holes to avoid cracking. Test fit all pieces dry before applying adhesive or fastening permanently. Begin by building the 2x4 frame on a flat surface and square it with clamps. Secure the plywood top with screws spaced evenly for consistent support. Apply adhesive for the foam layer, then staple the artificial turf starting from the center and working outward to avoid wrinkles. Add edge trim or L brackets for extra rigidity if you plan to move the platform. Finish by testing with gradually heavier.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.